chame ba cha chi tu a hi mo a hi pyo na sa a hi pyo we ba sa ne ba hi asa ya de ne ba la so ma a we de asa chi la no pa la me we me kana de tip bo kwa no bla de ba ma hi ple me hi la ge ma sa kan la de ya se la ta bo ma na a weปะบะมุบะดาสระสมาสิตะเฮดิบะมะวะนะวะเดปะมะเปะเฮโชลิโอ้ฮิปยอมาโอ้ beautiful โอ้เกมาเอเลยไม่ได้ละเฮลโลฮิปยอมาเว้นมาฮิเมญาอะจบบ่าวรับนะวะบ่าวรักษาเลยเวตาพออัลลอฮ์เลยเอาเวเลยตาฮัลลอฮ์มาเดี๋ยวจะเสียเดี๋ยวไปเลยนะมาเด็ดเพลว่าเกี่ยมาหน่อยฮิกจะได้ที่แบบนั้นกันเด็กคลิปเลยว่าเวลาอัศจรรย์เด็กคลิปเลยแล้วก็มามันนี่ละแต่แปดตลอดเด็กคลิปเลยนะดิฉันสิละบิสมิลแล้วตาฮัลโหลตาฮัลโหลคลิปเลยตาฮัลโหลเกินมาเด็กคลิปเลยเด็กเซฟเลยเลยเด็กเซฟเลยว้าเด็กเซฟเลยพัดโดจีเฮ้กว่าก็ลูกก็ให้มาเลยเนี่ยเด็กเนี่ยจะเพลย์เด็กจะเพลย์เด็กอะไรเนี่ยจะเพลย์คลิปเลยที่อัศจรรย์แล้วก็เดี๋ยวหาชุดตักเลยตะโกนก็ปวดสัตว์ดูอีกเดียวหาอะไรตักเลยภาษาชาเมภาษามึงเจอหิมะมานกว่าเรียกอะไรฮิกเจ้าเลยฮัลโหลเฮตาคือนั่นก็เจ๊อย่าเฉยนะนี่มา
อยู่ไปที่เมียกว่าเดินนี่เนอะ
เนี่ยนกว่าเรียกนั่นรถเพลนเนี่ยนี่แม่รถเนี่ยนี่เนบล่ะมาแล้วว่าสิ่งนี้
Lori's here. I see Lori. Alright, everybody.
Are you talking to us? Starting from the top.
Yeah, we just improvise.
We're gonna go inside So you show me
So then you will go in there and
Good afternoon. All right, my name is Ken Marr with Habitat for Humanity. Thanks for coming out to this special day. It's always a great day when we dedicate a Habitat house, right? Yes. All right. So I'm going to introduce the family before we get into all the pomp and circumstance. And I've already said it's special, but think about the family. Think about what your own family lineage is like when you move into a home and how it changes trajectories of lives. And you take this times 1, and then you take it times 220, 320, and all of a sudden now we've changed more than lives. We start changing the world a little bit at a time. All right, so think about that as we get into the rest of the year and we start seeing, meeting, greeting families. That's our impact from Habitat, but also from each of the families that we serve with. All right. So just a quick introduction about Ace and Sawtoo. For years, Ace dreamed of having a place to call her own. She dreamed of home ownership after arriving in the United States back in 2014 from her refugee camp in Thailand, where she had spent years seeking safety from the conflict in Myanmar. Home ownership really felt like a dream that might not come true and be out of reach for really. But dreams have a way of growing when hope is shared. In 2025, Ace married Sawtoo, and together they began dreaming again, especially after learning about their baby girl, which was on the way, i.e. baby girl. They came to Habitat in 2026 of January 2026, and really ready to build a future for their growing family. When we all of us get asked what Habitat does, and we build houses, right? But what's the next thing that comes out of our mouth is we have hope. We sell hope, right? So this is what we do. Today they are proud homeowners, actually living today, and loving parents to their 3-month-old Adora. For Ace, home ownership is more than owning a house. It's an investment in their daughter's future, a place to grow her plants, and a place where her family can grow and flourish. Ace and Sawtoo, your journey is a beautiful reminder from our perseverance, hope, and a shared dream. New beginnings are possible. We are so proud of you. Congratulations on your new home and growing family. All right. And you have a pastor to pray. So we're going to do that inside. Okay, so why don't we do this and then we'll move inside. Everyone get pictures?
we have a countdown. What? Ready? 3.
You get that? All right. All right, we're going to head inside now. Dorothy says we're going inside. All right. We'll pray inside. All right, head in. Yep, we'll go inside. Okay. Yeah.
Come on. Let up.
Oh, yeah. You gotta watch your step. Safety first. Watch your step.
Thanks so much, Ken.
Right as much as that, like how you like to injure yourself. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Flip flops, I think I'll put it. Come on. Yeah, let's take a look.
Mà này hello
Con lên nó nơi phụ ấy ra chụp đã hít ra cái giống như là phố cái tờ và tụi gì có ở ra mới tiến phá ở vào thì đây này tôi biết đây là đi đó là đây như hai này có lo con để lát thì này rồi tôi mà đi vào nó không lừa chạy và ta hay đi à nó ta thì ta mà ta cái là có sao cái gì vậy đấy si bữa thì sai cái tụi mà si bữa thì bữa tôi bữa ra tụi mà còn tiến phá nó ở bên trên mà chiếu ra cái ra ra như vậy nó có thể nghe nó từ đây cái gì sai nó tụi mà lo nó có thể phần nào là phải hết phải cố vào đấy nó tôi cứ ta cứ đó phải ra đó có thể này là ta tôi cứ ta cứ đó phải ra đấy nó ok khi ở ta để xí nó lấy đi bố nó là ta tôi ta cứ đó đó đi ra di tas dok dari ya kisinui sebut yami de mahi ga dok pala mawe depan ni mawe lo yami kwa wi dok wa kura depan ni sebut lo sa sibudan tu malo nublu pu da chu chu wa de le da pa ba pemiu mula ta kota khe pemiu mula ta kita se pemiu mula ta se to ku ko khe da le to ni la ni e pa lo ko ton na ri we sibudan tu malo to terasa me do mata bo do pu bo de awal tu fai dunia malu lo so tahu gede, lama orang hi buat play, awal ilmu web kenyata ti, pemeta ti, me hi pula phando, do me si bo hi pula, tahu hi dua mula, tempat tahu tak sudah no, dengan juga no tentu juga, do hi kisah ni kemina apa, cuci tahu ti, fai long saya tahu ya cuci lagi, berterasa me, hi buat play, lata, oh gede wei pu, pernah saya belum pun dah cuci wah. Do aksa da wea pe sinya lo o le ti ko de bi tabat phero ko le hi kui ke ti bo ko bo la ke si pa lo ko de ti bo ko bo ke le si ni pa ti pa le to se ma se lo ta elu pilota o ta gyu ki ya belo ta phe hi sa lo ba ta ma che lo la mi ge ti bo ko bo lo ta ma che lo la mi ge a se do se ni sa ta ya ko le ti bo ko bo ti pa to class di wa su suara ma se su ni ke si budak tu marah, petera same, do petera memupa, do ni wasi kau purga, do peteri malah do penguasa gai, awak ni malah tak suku, do tak sipu saya pura, do liwe diwa, bimbing kan, oh di cuma nyata retak le, tak pun kau bagu, ata retak le, oh liwe amalo, petona liwe, letak suku do pehe, le pakuro sa, ado sa tahu ya, pokoknya guna le hidup ya pun, he okso, do ni mata lalu hidup bu. Hidupai ata kota ke takuta go penase gelap sa tahu ya kesi juga ke le kesi do kursa ya do puya ke lula wata so ichu wala hidupai ko bo do sa tahu ya so ge tera mukia la sibiti sa bitama ko ba ba so ge ta buta le ta ke le kesi ko ti wa su suara masesi ko tu hot tu idin ke sirna du malo tibut ko bo do tra tu ma dia ga lata tu ku ta ta pro khoi do ri lo ku ta pa ku do ta lata ta pro khoi so de ga le blok le ten ha we su su kwa ma se si ko kwa lu lo da su ta bi ko do asu ni si ko to we la ma ta ku so ra pita ma ti fa si ko ti ba le ta ra si ko bi kwa la ma ta ku so ta pita ma dan kasih kolong dan ini tua le tahu putar kita mah dan dan le tak putar kita masih kok mama we kita lalu lalu pukul tu mana no.
And who are we starting with? With Joanne? How about Grace?
This is a small reminder of this important day. From all of us, from your Habitat family, congratulations.
Thank you.
This is also a family photo, you guys, and they just represents this new chapter in this beautiful home for your family. And we all signed it as a reminder that we're still cheering for you and rooting you on in this new adventure for you guys. So, here, I'll hold them so you can set the rest.
And a book for your sweet baby girl for all of the good nights that she'll have to look at. Congratulations.
Does that take care of everything? Yeah. All right, great gifts.
Where's the toolkit?
Oh, we have a toolkit. Already got it. Okay, good. So a little wrinkle that Dorothy's adding is a little bit of music. I think Capri's missing. Oh no, Capri's not going to sing. But we're going to celebrate with Korean Christian gospel hymn that the family has selected. So let's start from the top, like Lawrence Wonk used to always say. That's it? All right. And I want to say a few words as well. And you're open to say a few words as well.
So first of all, I thank everyone who came and have with us today. So I appreciate it. And this is a very special meal for our family, and so thank you.
So let's see you say that's in you one go and that's in you happy to program like take he love the border of Niloma.
Thank you. Any of your family and friends? We're good? You're going to song us out, okay? No others? We're good? Okay. All right. So those were the closing words. Special thanks to construction, especially Jay Hill for truss work and for stairs, but all the hard work during the heat and all that stuff with the construction staff. Congratulations to the family. And make sure we walk around the house. It's a great floor plan, one of my favorites, as well as the family invites us to share lunch with them and eat and be merry. All right? Anything else for the good of the order, Dorothy? All right?